Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make Ramadan Philly Chicken Cheesesteak Sandwich that is super delicious and will have you asking for more. I'll start by laying out all my ingredients. I'll be using capsicum, some mozzarella cheese, 3 buns. I'll actually add one at the end of this video, and then I will have my melted cheddar cheese, which I will give you a tutorial on. It's simple and super delicious. I'll then be using some chicken, and I'm gonna be using thigh bones, boneless thigh bones to be specific because they're packed with flavor, and some onions. So we'll begin the first step by melting our cheddar cheese, which you will need some butter and flour for this. So we're going to melt everything together, and then we'll add the flour in, mix it, and then use a whisk later, add some milk, whisk away, and then we're gonna add in the mozzarella cheese, and there you go. So for the next step, we'll be mixing in all our ingredients into the chicken and cooking it, making sure that it's really nice and juicy with all the flavor packed. I'll be using some specific spices, which I'm gonna show you on this video. And once this is done, it's ready to layer into the bread. So once the chicken is ready, I'm now gonna stuff my bread buns, and oh my god, this was just so delicious. Looking at it just reminds me of how good this was. After a whole day of fasting, you break your fast with this. Amazing. I just enjoyed my evening with this. You'll add some cheddar cheese on top. The melted cheddar cheese just adds a little something, and this was so good. And that's it for today, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.